Very good morning to all of you, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Is it? Okay. So in our last class, we have completed a chapter number 17, that is Chennai, right? So in our today's session, we are going to start a new chapter. It's chapter number 18, about some more cities. We have seen so many cities here, right? Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and all these things we have seen already, right? So now in this chapter, we are going to learn Hyderabad, the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Ahmedabad, the largest city, Jaipur, the pink city of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Lucknow, city of Nawabs, Guwahati, the biggest city of Assam. So we are going to discuss all these cities in this chapter. Okay. Now tell me one thing, children. Bangalore is the capital of the state Karnataka, that we all know. Okay. So next thing we can see what are the capital of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad and Telangana. Okay, so the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. Telangana, you have to find out what is the capital. Okay, Ahmedabad, it is one of the biggest city in our country, and Jaipur, the pink city of Rajasthan. Okay, now we will start the session. Without any delay, we will start our reading session. I will go through the lesson. You just follow me. Okay. Okay. You just read about our four metros, our big cities, namely Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. So in these four cities, we have metros and all the facilities of transport we are having here, right? So at one time, India only had these four metros. Okay, so what are the? There are more cities which are bigger than these four metros. In these four metros, along these four metros, these cities were small towns a few decades ago. Decades means 10 years. One decade is 10 years. Okay. So these cities were small towns a few decades ago. But since then there has been a sharp increase in their population. They have also developed better facilities, services and infrastructure. Let us read about some of them. So before some years, these small towns, the cities were small towns, okay, but since they had a sharp increase in their population and developing in their better facilities, services and infrastructures also, we are going to discuss about the cities. Okay, so shall we move on? Are you all ready? Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the city Bangalore. So as I said, first we are going to see about the garden city, Bangalore. As I said earlier, Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka state. Okay, it was earlier known as Bangalore. Now we are calling as Bengaluru. So it is grown rapidly to become the third largest city of India. So it grows from a so larger even than Chennai and Kolkata. When we compare to Chennai and Kolkata, this is the third largest city of India, which has grown in a rapid way. Okay, Bengaluru is known as the garden city with its many trees and beautiful parks such as Lal Bagh and Cuban Park. So we can see so many trees and so many beautiful parks in Bengaluru. So that's why we are calling as a garden city. Okay, so now we will go through the points one more time. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It was earlier known as Bangalore. It has grown rapidly to become the third largest city of India, larger even than the Chennai and Kolkata. Bangalore is known as the garden city with its many trees and beautiful parks such as Lal Bagh and Cuban Park. Okay, so we'll go to the next point and we will discuss some more things about Bangalore. So Bengaluru enjoys a moderate climate throughout the year. Places of tourist interest includes Vidhan Sauda, Lal Bagh, the Government Museum, and Tipu Sultan's Palace. So, throughout the year, they are having a moderate climate, which is neither hot, neither cold. So, they are having a moderate climate throughout the year. The places of tourist interest includes the Vidhan Sauda, Lal Bagh, the Government Museum, and Tipu Sultan's Palace. So, these are some of the tourist interest placed in Bengaluru. Bengaluru is also called the Silicon Valley of India. Silicon Valley of India, as it is the biggest software electronic goods industries. So we can see so many biggest software development companies are there. So if we say Bengaluru means, we can remember one more thing is software. So many software companies are there. So Bangalore city is also called as the Silicon Valley of India, as it is the biggest software development center of India. The other industries in Bangalore, which includes the aircraft, textiles, and electronic goods industries. So we have so many industries there. That is what? Aircraft, textile, electronic goods industries. Next one, Bengaluru is famous for its silk sarees, rosewood, and sandalwood items. So we can see Mysore silk sarees and some more silk sarees are there. So which is most famous in Bengaluru city. And one more thing, rosewood and sandalwood items, which is more popular and most famous in Bangalore city. Most of the people here speaks Kannada. Tamil, Urdu, Hindi and English are also spoken. So they used to speak Kannada, as we said in Chennai city. So Chennai people, Chennai, those were people living in Chennai mostly speaks Tamil, right? So like that, they used to speak Kannada. Tamil, Urdu, Hindi and English, they are also spoken. Okay. The major festivals celebrated are Dasara and Makara Sankranti. Bengaluru Karaga is one of the oldest festivals celebrated in Bengaluru. Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid also like Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas. They are celebrating all these things. But some of the most major celebrated festivals are Dasara, it is Navratri, and Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti, which we are celebrating here as Pongal. So Makar Sankranti. So Mangaluru Karaga is one of the oldest festivals which is celebrated in Bengaluru. So these are the most important festivals we can see in Bangalore city. Those people are celebrating. Okay. So Bangalore city, we are going to read out one more time about Bangalore city. So first point is what? Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It was earlier known as Bangalore. It has grown rapidly to become the third largest city of India, larger even than Chennai and Kolkata. Bangalore is known as the garden city with its many trees and beautiful parks such as Lal Bagh and Cuban Park. Bangalore enjoys a moderate climate throughout the year. The places of tourist interest includes the Vidhan Sauda, Lal Bagh, Government Museum and Tipu Sultan's Palace. Tipu Sultan was one of the most famous Mughal emperor. Okay, Tipu Sultan's Palace. Bengaluru is also called the Silicon Valley of India, as it is the biggest software development center of India. So the other industries in Bangalore, which includes the aircraft, textile and electronic goods industries. Bangalore is most famous for silk sarees, rosewood and sandal items. Most of the major festivals that we can see and celebrated in Bangalore is Dasara and Makar Sankranti. Bangalore Karaga is one of the oldest festivals in Bangalore. They are celebrating in Bangalore. Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid and Christmas they are also celebrating. So now we are going to the next city, that is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh, right? So it is one of the most famous city in our country. So now we are going to learn something interesting things about Hyderabad. So first thing, Hyderabad is an old city. The Qutb Shahi rulers founded it around 400 years ago. Wow, such an old city, right? 400 years ago they have found this, they have ruled this Hyderabad city. So today it is the fourth and most populated city of India. It is also called the capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It includes the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The Hussain Sagar Lake connects them. So first one is Hyderabad is a old city. The Qutb Shahi rulers founded it around 400 years ago. Today, after Bangalore city, because Bangalore is the third largest city in India, right? So this is the fourth most populated city of India. It is also the capital of Telangana and Andhra. The Hussain Sagar Lake connects them. It is Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The Hussain Sagar Lake connects these two places. Hyderabad has hot summers and cool winters. It has grown into an important center for the computer industries. It is famous for pearl jewelry, its textiles, especially Pochampalli sarees and Hyderabadi biryani. So we have extreme climates here. Hyderabad has hot summers and cold winters. So it has an extreme climate. It has grown into an important center for computer industries. Like Bangalore city, they used to have a software development now. So here they are having important center as for computer industries. It is famous for pearl jewelries, its textiles, especially Pochampalli sarees, which is most famous in Hyderabad. Pochampalli sarees. You can search in internet also. Pochampalli sarees, which is more popular. And Hyderabadi biryani. Hyderabadi biryani, most of us known for it, right? So these things are some things famous about Hyderabad. Hyderabad has many places of tourist interest. Charminar, the Mecca Masjid, which is one of the largest mosques in the world. Salajang Museum, the Qutb Shahi tombs, Birla Mandir and Hussain Sagar Lake with a huge statue of Buddha in the middle are a few tourist spot attractions. Hyderabad is also famous for Bidri work. The Charminar, the Mecca Masjid, which is one of the largest mosques in the world. Wherein Salarjung Museum, the Qutb Shahi tombs, Birla Mandir, the Hussain Sagar Lake with a huge statue of Buddha in the middle are a few tourist attraction places in Hyderabad. And one more thing, Hyderabad is famous for Bidri work. Next thing, The people of Hyderabad speaks Telugu, Urdu, Hindi and English. The festivals celebrated are Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Pongal, Navratri and Tyagaraja festival. So what are the festivals they are celebrating here? Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Pongal, Navratri and Tyagaraja festival. So these are the most famous festivals that they are celebrating in Hyderabad. So one more time we will go through the topic about Hyderabad. Hyderabad is an old city. The Qutub Shahi rulers founded it around 400 years ago. Today is the fourth most populated city in India. It is also the capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It includes the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The Hussain Sagar Lake connects them. It has an extreme climate which has hot summers and cool winters. It has grown into an important center for the computer industries. It is famous. Hyderabad has many places of tourist interest. The Charminar, first one is the Charminar, the Mecca Masjid, which is one of the largest mosque in the world. Salajan Museum, the Qutub Shahi Tomb, Birla Mandir, and Hussain Sagar Lake, which has a huge statue of Buddha in the center. And few tourist interest spots are there. So it is also famous. Hyderabad is also famous for Bijli work. The people of Hyderabad the Hyderabadi people mostly speaks Telugu, Urdu, Hindi and English. The festivals they are celebrating are Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Pongal, Navratri and Tyagaraja festival. So with this point we are going to wind up this online session. So we will continue this chapter in the next session. Till then, be safe, stay home. Thank you.